Bro. Oh, the girl beside Nella in the green cardigan. Pretty, bro.
Oh, that's the type of light. That's Sam Warner. Don't be fooled by the pretty smile. She not tolerate foolishness, bro. Alright, bro. You look call Nyla, so you can go over there go talk to her. But remember, don't go and embarrass yourself, bro.
Girl, me see her from over this and me say, the sweeter than bag juice in July. I'm hoping a leak from my heart.
Bad juice? Really? That's your best line?
Alright, babes. Listen to that one, yeah. Your skin smoother than the patty crust, right before it overbake.
Sir, you sound just like the ex, just with a little bit more vocabulary.
Well, the ex not drive a Mark X. You know, see the big fat machine outside.
Ugh.
You know, smell my cologne. It's a Baccarat rose just, mix up with the trade Aventus, You know, smell the aroma. A 200,000 just spent on this, girl.
Aroma? All I smell is your ego, and it smells so sour.
Hear me now, babes. He's a real man, And the girl and bubblegum. I be a girl want me, babes.
Real man? You still like one trial version.
Tell him if you no go over there go embarrass himself. Now look at it.
Alright, girl, you look like a good church girl now. So me a date in one language, you understand. The Bible say, he who findeth a wife findeth a good thing. And maybe you just find mine tonight.
No, you just did a talk about you had girl in bubblegum, but now you're a preacher. You sound confused, sir. Pride, I will lead to destruction, and your arrogance, I'll go bring you down.
Alright, so me soon come back here. Me have to go talk to my brother for a while.
Me don't know what take you so long. Look for one if you get out. Disgusting man.
Bro, how can a girl like shame?
Well, that's a woman you can't fool. Savannah is a woman with substance. Tell her, She not tolerate foolishness, bro.
Man, messed up, bro.
She and I want a little giddy girl, the giddy head girl, we are gonna frighten over your chain and your handsome face. She requires more. I have to come good.
We don't know what come over me, bro. Just like to get nervous. We don't know what come over me. Bro, there's something about that girl, bro. You just something about her.
Mark, you can sip from 1,000 cups and still end up thirsty. Or you can find one source that never runs dry. Which one I really want?
You don't understand what you mean? Sip from a cup and still thirsty? You know what that mean?
Alright, what I really mean is, you can run after woman, every day, every night, and still feel empty. One girl after the next. Have fun done, feel empty. Or you can choose to find one good woman who you can build your life with, build a family with, and end up with full satisfaction.
The non-liner, bro, deep down, really want a woman, a genuine, one them can trust, one who loyal, one who real, bro.
Alright, listen to me. Up until now, you have been moving like a boy, playing games, chasing hype. But today, right so, me say a real man a wake up, and a man have to put away childish things. Tell her what me gonna do for you, me gonna talk to her. But right now, me need you to go home and really meditate on everything I'm say to you. And really ask yourself, are you ready to be a real man of integrity? A man who she can rely on. A man wise enough to lead and guide a family. If the answer is yes, come back and we'll try again.